Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best motorcycle DVR in this video? I will show you the top 5 best motorcycle DVR to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Jansite 6.86-inch motorcycle DVR. Specifications: brand name Jansite, pixels 1200 mega, touchscreen yes, screen ratio 16:9, imaging sensor 1/3 inch Sony CCD, camera resolution 1280 by 720, chipset manufacturer Allwinner, battery built-in, placement motorcycle head, view angle 170 degrees, max external memory 128 GB, interface Bluetooth, SD, MMC, Wi-Fi, micro SD, TF. Number 4 is 2K motorcycle camera. Specifications: brand name Devlock, system Linux, screen ratio 4:3, GPS logger internal, frames per second 30. Placement: motorcycle handle, motorcycle head, view angle 170 degrees, interface Bluetooth, USB 2.0, Wi-Fi, micro SD, TF, waterproof support, size 7 inches. As the item number 3, we've selected motorcycle camera dash cam. Specifications: brand name Freedcon, pixels 500 mega, sensor type CMOS, camera resolution 1920 by 1080, chipset manufacturer Novatech, battery built-in, frames per second 30, view angle 150 degrees, max external memory 128 GB, waterproof rating IP66. Number 2 is WiFi VSYS dual motorcycle DVR. Specifications: brand name Motocam, pixels 200 mega, sensor type CMOS, camera resolution 1920 by 1080. Special features: G sensor, cycle recording, time and date display, microphone, night vision, dual lens, anti-surge voltage impact, waterproof, real-time surveillance, cyclic recording, Wi-Fi function, recording function, frames per second 25. Placement: motorcycle handle, motorcycle head, helmet, motorcycle rider, view angle 130 degrees, max external memory 256 GB, interface Wi-Fi, micro SD, TF. On the top of our list at number 1 we have dual 1080p motorcycle DVR. Specifications: brand name Cockham, pixels 500 mega, screen ratio 16:9, imaging sensor 1/3 inch Sony CCD, camera resolution 1920 by 1080, chipset manufacturer Novatech, view angle 150 degrees, max external memory 128 GB, display size 3.0 inch, interface Wi-Fi, micro SD, TF.